In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a producer tag Audiomass. By the end, you'll have a clean, punchy voice tag ready to drop into your beats using only your browser. Start by opening Audiomass in your web browser. It's a lightweight, online audio editor that loads quickly and works without installing anything. When the page opens, choose New File if you want a fresh workspace, or Open File if you already have a voice clip you want to refine. Keep in mind, Audiomass itself doesn't record audio. New File simply sets up a blank project so you can bring your recording in later. Now let's get your voice. Record a short, memorable line, something like a quick name drop or tag that feels natural, confident, and unmistakable. Aim for a simple delivery that's easy to recognize. Because Audiomass doesn't have built-in recording, use another tool, such as the default voice recorder on your computer or a trusted online recorder, and save it as a WAV or MP3. Try to record in a quiet space, speak close to the microphone without touching it, and keep the line concise. Usually 1 to 2 seconds is enough. Once you have your audio file, drag and drop it directly into the Audiomass window. You'll see the waveform appear. Tap play to make sure the clip imported correctly. Time to trim and clean. Click and drag across any parts you don't want. Extra silence at the beginning, a breath you don't need, or a trailing pause. And press delete to remove it. This helps the tag snap in right on the beat. To isolate only the exact phrase you want to keep, highlight that portion and use Edit, then Trim. This instantly cuts away everything else and keeps your tag tight and focused. For a cleaner sound, go to Effects and choose Noise Reduction. This is helpful for reducing background hiss or low-level room noise that can make your tag feel muddy. Apply a gentle amount so your voice still sounds natural, and avoid pushing it so far that it becomes tinny or watery. Preview, listen carefully on headphones or speakers, and apply when you're happy with the result. That's it. You've opened Audiomass, brought in your voice, trimmed it to the perfect length, and cleaned it up with noise reduction. Keep your tags short, clear, and consistent, and you'll have a professional signature you can drop into any track.